Still draining the pool. They have an oscillating sprinkler. It was on just a second ago. There it is. Just over the fence there. So that's what they're doing for their backyard for now. But we're here to work on the pool pump. Did this 3 years ago, and it's time again. This fitting is leaking. That's good, because it's in nice and tight. It's in real tight. It's in so tight that it doesn't want to move. That's wonderful. I don't know why it leaks. I don't see a crack in the housing, but we're going to verify that. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little more. 6.5, 7. I put back then an ungodly amount of Teflon tape on this because that's what it had. And either it didn't hold or something got worse, probably. So we got all that. That's actually pretty good right there. Maybe I'll hit it quick. Oh, I think it is cracked. Yep, I think it's cracked. There's also some white powdery stuff growing on it. I don't know what that is. But we'll re-Teflon this. I don't think it's going to do very much good. But it was leaking not as good as I would have hoped. Every day is leaking and leaking. So I need to sit here with this wire brush and get all of this Teflon out of the threads. This is going to take some time. In the last video 3 years ago, there's a link in the description. It took about 10 minutes. I don't know how long that was, but it was a hell of a lot more than 10 minutes this time. That much I can tell you. That absolutely sucked. So I guess there's some junk in here too. That helps to seal things, right? There's some like good junk in there. Pipe sealant they may have used years ago. I don't know. Rust? Could be. From what? It's all plastic. Well, it is what it is. There is certainly a crack in it. Maybe 2. That's good. Oh man, not great. So now we're going to put an ungodly amount of Teflon tape on these threads. A little fragment. Well, I guess that's the end of the roll. Maybe I can save it. A little bit, and that's the end. It is what it is. I don't know anymore. This shit is just getting too old. I didn't think about that when I bought the house, that this shit would get old. The white stuff, I'd imagine, is chlorine deposits. Only makes sense considering it was leaking. There's still shit in these threads that I don't like. It does not seem to be budging. It's just stuck. So I don't know anymore. Hopefully we can get this to work. To line up and screw in and end up where it has to. Fair enough. A little more. Just a bit. Yeah, we'll call that good. Okay, simple enough. That wasn't too bad. The worst part was clearing all the Teflon out of the threads. Oh, that was bad. There's some crap in the groove there, but we're going to make believe we didn't see that. So this will definitely leak still, and if it does, then it's going to continue to. And that's about all I got for this time. I have another pool related video coming up, so stay tuned. In the meantime, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.